Welcome to Spice and Pans. Subscribe to our channel for our recipes weekly.
Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we are cooking chicken and mushroom hor fun, or otherwise known as gai si tonggu hor fun. First, we need to poach the chicken breast. Have a pot of water boiling, put in 2 pieces of chicken stock cube. These are those without the MSG. I want my chicken breast to be flavorful, thus I'm putting this in. Next, we'll add in the chicken breast. I have 3 whole chicken breasts over here. Just place it flat down like this. As to how much water, as long as it can cover the breast meat, is fine. So I'll just cover it up and let it cook for 20 minutes. This will be the base of our sauce. We are going to make some crispy shallots, and thus we need to slice them. I'm using the flat attachment, the slicer, so that I can slice this, so that I don't have to cry or weep when I'm doing this. Approximately about 20 pieces. Now it's done. See how thinly sliced it is? Now it's time to fry them. We're going to fry the shallots now. Inside your pan, put in some oil. At low heat, put in the shallots that we have just sliced. Now it's very important not to turn high heat on this, otherwise it will burn very easily and very fast. Move them around. Now when you get a light golden brown, you can actually take them out, because the residual heat will continue to cook them. You can see that the color is slowly turning golden. If you don't have lard, you can use normal oil. And don't throw this oil away. This oil is super fantastic if you want to fry with vegetables or other kind of dishes that you want. Just keep them. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of this oil on my hor fun later, so that it will be smoother and taste so much better. Because we are frying at low heat, this might take a little bit longer. I don't want to turn it to high heat because it gets burnt too fast, too easily. This is a safer way to do it. It takes a little bit more time, but it's safer and you don't have to redo if this is burnt. They're almost done. If you have extra, you can keep them in the oil, or you can separate them up if you like them crispy. Just put them in an airtight container and it can last you for like a week or so. Right, you can see that it's slowly turning a little bit brown. I'm guessing about 30 seconds more and this will be done. So all in all, it takes me about 4 minutes or so to do this. If you have a food processor at home, it's so much easier to do rather than you buy all those ready-made outside. At least we know what oil we're using, and it tastes so much better because it's fresh. Okay, you can see that part of them are already turning brown. Okay, I think another 10 seconds and this will be good to go. Okay, I'm going to drain them off from the oil. This is done already. As you can see, there's this light golden brown over here. So prepare a strainer and just scoop them up. The chicken is about done. We'll just remove from heat, and when it's cooled down, we'll debone and shred it up. As you can see, I have removed the skin also. So I'm just going to take them out and cool them down. Keep the liquid. This will be the base for our sauce. In a pan, heat up some oil. I'm going to fry some garlic now. This is 6 or 7 cloves of garlic chopped. Don't brown them too much. I just want the fragrance to be out. I'm using back the oil that I fried the shallots with just now. Stir them around, don't burn them. You can use this at medium heat. Once you can smell the fragrance coming out, add in sliced mushroom. These are dried mushroom. I've hydrated them and cut them into pieces like this. This is approximately 24 pieces of it. I'm cooking for a party of 12, so this should be just nice. Add in 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Add in 1 teaspoon of sugar. Give it a good stir, make sure they are all mixed up together well. Now some of you might ask, why am I doing this instead of just dumping them all into the soup? I want the mushroom to absorb the flavor, so it becomes more flavorful. I'll add in some white pepper. Now add in 2 or 3 scoops of the soup stock that we made just now. When it's boiling like this, we'll pour this back into the stock that we prepared just now. Do not add any seasoning. We are going to boil this for 30 minutes inside the stock. After 30 minutes, then we will add the seasoning. Pour everything into this stock. And we will stew this for 30 minutes. Cover it up and let it stew for 30 minutes. I'm going to shred the chicken now. This is the end result that I want, and this is the attachment that I'll be using. Just fit it into the processor. I'm going to put 2 pieces of the breast meat inside here. Close it up. Using the pulse function very fast. And let me show you the end result. Pretty easy, pretty fast. I'll continue with the rest. The sauce has been stewing for half an hour already. Let's just have a little taste. Very, very flavorful. I don't think we need to add in any more salt. It's savory enough. What we got to do right now is to add in 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce to darken up the sauce so it looks better. Make sure you use a premium dark soya sauce because it tastes so good and it's not salty. Now if you like your color to be darker, you can add in more dark soya sauce if you want to, but this is just fine for us. Next we'll thicken up the sauce with cornstarch solution. Add in bit by bit. A little bit more and it will be fine. Okay, this is the consistency that we want. We will now add in 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil to further bring out the taste, and 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine or hoa tiao jiu. Now all that's left to do is to blanch some hor fun, assemble the dish, and we are ready to go. In a pot of boiling water, blanch some of these hor fun. There's 2 types of hor fun available in the market. One is the tin one like this, we call it Ipoh hor fun. There's a thicker one that the zi char store used to fry those hor fun like watan hor and stuff like that. Okay, so we are using the thinner version over here. Just a light blanch will do. Don't cook them for too long, otherwise it will be too mushy. Hor fun is also known as rice noodles. I'm making a portion for 3, hence the amount of hor fun I'm using over here. Just a light blanch, otherwise it will be too mushy. Make sure you shake out all the water, and we'll assemble this into the plates. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how we cook our chicken mushroom hor fun. The hor fun is underneath this beautiful sauce. I've assembled them by adding in blanched kailan, the shredded chicken breast, the mushroom, and of course the crispy shallots. I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.